Hello children, open your book Sparkle, page number 73. Today I am going to teach you lesson 8 articles, the determinators. Let's understand what is the article. Articles are placed before words a, an and the are called articles or determinators. An are called indefinite articles and the is called definite articles. So what do you mean by articles? An are indefinite articles and the is definite articles, and we place this before the words. Okay, we all know that A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest 21 letters are consonants. Clear? Write the names of following things in the pictures. This is the picture of egg. Write here the name egg. This is a picture of igloo. And this is a picture of owl, and this is a picture of elephant. Okay, so all these words begin with a vowel. You can see here E is vowel, I is vowel, O is vowel, and here again E is vowel. Okay, so there are 5 vowels. Okay, A, E, I, O, U, these are 5 vowels, and an is used before all the words in a singular form that start with the vowels A, E, I, O, U. So we have to write here an egg. Okay, an igloo, an owl, an elephant. Clear? Because all these are starting with vowels A, E, I, O, U. If the word starting with the vowels A, E, I, O, U, then write an before all the words in a singular form. Clear it? Okay, let's understand some other rules. Some words that start with vowels E and U give a consonant sounds U. So we use article A and not an before them. For example, a European. Here this is a vowel. Okay, E is vowel. So the word European is starting with E, but here the sound is consonant sound U. That's why we will use here article A before the European. Like that, eucalyptus. A eucalyptus is a similar example. Clear it? Sometimes the vowel U also gives a consonant sound U and takes A but not an before it. For example, university. Here university is starting with U and U is a vowel. Okay, but its sound is U. Consonant sound is U. So here we will not write an, we will write the article A before the university. Like that, Here the sound of utility item is U. Okay, the sound producing here is U. So here we will not write AN before the utility. We will write here A. Clear it? Write the name of the following pictures. This is a picture of bat, B-A-T, bat. This is a ball, B-A-L-L, ball. This is a picture of fan, F-A-N, fan. This is a picture of cat, C-A-T, cat. And this is a picture of parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Okay. All these words begin with the consonants like B, D, F, C, P. All these are consonants. So there are 21 consonants. Article A is used with all the words in a singular form that start with the consonants. Okay, all this consonant. If the word starting with the consonants, then we use article A before the words. Clear? N are indefinite articles. Clear? Now let's understand words starting with the consonant H have sometime a silent H and are followed by a vowel. For example, ours has a silent H and are pronounced it with a vowel sound. Howeverly, honest, honor, honorable, hourly, etc. all have the silent H and start with the vowel sound. Okay. Here, let's see some examples. In such cases, they have the article an before them, but not a. Here, the consonant H has a silent H, silent H. That's why we are using not a article for all this. Okay, we use here an article before the H. Clear? Let's see some example. An honorable man. We will not write here a honorable man because here H is silent. So we will write here an honorable man and are on an hourly basis, an honest policeman, like that. Understand everybody? Let's solve quick activity. Fill in the blanks with a or an. Mohan lives in a hut. Ajay ate an egg and a slice of bread for breakfast. Rekha is a graceful dancer. My uncle gave me an ice cream. I bought a pink dress from the market. It takes an hour to reach the school. We went for a picnic last Sunday. We saw an aeroplane flying above the house. Clear? Here the vowels, the word starting with the vowels, we are using an. Clear? An. And for the consonant we are using only a article. Understand? Clear here? Let's understand another one article, the. The is called definite article. The is called definite article. Uses of definite article the. When we refer to a particular object or person. For example, the boy wearing a blue dress is holding a box. So here we are using the before a particular object or a person. So here it is clear that the boy wearing a blue dress is holding a box. Clear? When we walk of an object which is only one of its kind in a world. Okay, so clear here. Some example. The sun is only one, the moon is only one, star, sky, land, direction and the planets. These are the only one kind in the world. So we use the before these objects. Okay. Next rule is before the name of seas, oceans, rivers, mountains and ranges, etc. Example, the Himalayas, the Lakshadweep Island, the Antarctic Ocean. Clear? Next one is before the name of holy books or epics. So here the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible, the Mahabharata. Clear all these rules? Before the objective in a superlative degree like largest, longest, best, etc. For example, he is the oldest boy of his class. So we here using the article. Before names of musical instruments, names of dancer, etc. Example, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma plays the santoor while Ustad Amjad Ali Khan plays the sarod. Like that, another example, the Bharatnatyam, the Kathak, the Odissi are some classical dance from form of India. Okay, we are using the before the musical instruments and name of the dancer. Clear? Now again the quick activity. Insert the in the following sentences. Insert the in all these following sentences. We inserted the before all these sentences. The planets revolve around the sun in their fixed axis, because here planet and sun both are only one in the world. That's why we have written the. The Red Fort is a historical monument. So whenever we use any name of the historical monument, we have to write the. Did you ever read the Holy Quran? So here the book's name is holy book's name given Quran. So again we use article the. The Ganga flows from the Himalayas. Here the river name and the Himalaya mountain ranges are given. So again we use the article. Agra is on the bank of the Yamuna while Lucknow is on the bank of the Gomti. So here you can see the name of the rivers given. So before the name of the river, we again use the article the. Clear it? Let's do the another activity. Fill in the blanks correctly with a and an. Clear? A and an. We have to fill a and an in the following blanks. The king had dash army of 6,000 soldiers and dash big go down of weapons. So what will become here? Here A is vowel, so we use here an. The king had an army of 6,000 soldiers and a big go down of weapons. Next one is my teacher gave me a useful suggestion. A useful. So here the sound of U is U. That's why we are using A. Okay. Next one is I had an egg, an apple, a sandwich and a glass of milk for a breakfast. Because here the vowels, before the vowel we are using an, and for the consonants we are using here the A article. Ishita has dash aunt and dash cousin living in Chennai. So again here the vowel given, so we will write an. Ishita has an aunt and a cousin living in Chennai. An actor is an interesting person who earn his living by acting. Okay. Now next one is Shalini brought a pen, a pencil, an instrument box and an ink pot from the study shop. Then again an ox, a camel, an elephant and a fox were good friends. Here ox is vowel starting with vowels O, that's why we are writing an article. For the camel starting with the consonant K, consonant C, so writing here A. And for the elephant, here again the elephant starting with a consonant vowel E, that's why we have written an. And ox, it's starting with the consonant F, that's why we have written A. So the sentence is an ox, a camel, an elephant and a fox were good friends. Now come to the next fill in the blanks, where you have to fill the A and the. Okay. So here the Shatabdi Express is the fastest train in India. Okay, clear? Lisbon is a capital of Portugal. Clear? Next one is we had an unexpected visitors this morning. Next one, Cambridge University is in the United Kingdom. The Guru Granth Sahib is a holy book of the sick. Clear? Mac went to the super comic store to buy a comic book. An apple a day keep the doctor away. Harishchandra was an honest, truthful king. Here the sound of H is silent. Okay. So we are writing here article an before the honest. Last one is I met a boy in the store. Okay, complete all this, fill in the blanks like that. Rewrite the following sentences using a, an or the in the correct places. I drink glass of milk every day. I drink a glass of milk every day. Clear it? Here we have to write a article before the glass. Come to next one. Tailor stitch frock today. So what will become here? Tailor stitch a frock today. Okay, then come to next one. I want to become a engineer when I grow up. So what will become here? I want to become an engineer. When I grow up. Clear? Because here engineer is the vowel, starting with the vowel. Okay, so we have to write here article an. I want to become an engineer when I grow up. Train came are late. So what will become here? Train came an hour late. Okay, clear here? H sound is silent. So we are using article an before this word. I brought banana and apple. So what will be here? I brought a banana and an apple. Okay, banana is starting with the consonant sound and apple is starting with the vowel sound. So before the banana we have to write the article a, and before the apple we will write an article. Clear? Mr. Sinha is clever man. Mr. Sinha is clever man. Mr. Sinha is a clever man, because here clever, spelling of clever is starting with consonant sound. So we will write here article a before the clever. honest men never tell lies. Honest men never tell lie. So here the sound of H is silent. So we will use the article an before the honest. An honest man never tell lies. Clear? Last one is I met old woman in market. So here old, before the old is starting with the vowel sound. So we will write I met an old woman in market. Clear? Understand what are the articles? A, an and the. We use a article when the word starting with the vowels A, E, I, O, U. And when the words starting with the consonant, we use a article. And the article we use when all the things are only one in a word, or we use before the mountain, rivers, or a holy books. Clear? Okay, bye bye.